What if one day we wake up and the sun is gone? No light, no warmth, just eternal night. This is not science fiction. This is what scientists say would actually happen. In just 8 minutes, Earth would go completely dark. Because that's how long sunlight takes to reach us. Within 24 hours, the temperature would drop below minus 70 degrees Celsius. In 1 week, the oceans would begin to freeze from the surface. In 1 year, Earth's atmosphere would collapse. Photosynthesis would stop, plants would die, that means animal, and human would begin starving. Without sunlight, the food chain would break. Nuclear power and geothermal energy might help small groups survive underground. But Earth's surface would become a frozen wasteland. The moon would still be there, but forever dark. No glowing nights, no sunrise, no hope. We take the sun for granted every day. But this burning star, 93 million miles away, is what keeps us alive. Lost it, and we lost everything. At Toothbrush, we ask dangerous questions and reveal beautiful truths. 50% of this channel's income goes to help real people with food, medicine, and hope. Hit that subscribe button and be part of something greater than yourself.